Please subscribe our channel Education Point and press bell icon to get notification of new educational videos.
Hello everyone, you are all welcome to lecture number 136, and today I am going to discuss the saturated, unsaturated and essential fatty acids. These fatty acids, they are not found very much in abundance or in large quantity in nature, in plant or animal, rather than they are found in combined state in the form of esters, especially in the plant, fruit and flower. The reason is that in the plant, due to fermentation, the lot of carbohydrate is converted into alcohol, that is ethyl alcohol, and that ethyl alcohol is your organic base, and these organic acids like this ethanoic acid, generally carboxylic acids, they react with that organic base and they are immediately converted into esters. So most of these acids in nature, especially in plants, they are found in the form of esters. They are not found in free state, and also in plants most of them are found in unsaturated form. That's why they are in liquid form at room temperature. And those carboxylic acids in the form of ester or triglycerides, when they are found in animal, they are in solid state because most of them are saturated fatty acids. So these are the differences of saturated and unsaturated carboxylic acid. And the other group of carboxylic acid, they are known as essential carboxylic acid. They are also very important. They are called essential because in our body, these carboxylic acids are not synthesized in the form of ester. It is not found. That's why it is known as essential, and we have to add in our diet from outside, either from plant source or from animal source. And the deficiency of this essential fatty acids like linoleic acid. So all these acids we can get from oil-bearing nut like almond, cashew nut, pistachio, so many other groundnut. So these oils we can get from natural sources, and if it is not in enough quantity in our body, we will be suffering from different type of disease or disorder, like your nail will become brittle, your skin will become dry and scaly, you will start losing your hair, you will be having lot of stomach disorder, your digestive system will not be proper. So that's why we need the essential fatty acid. And these unsaturated fatty acids, sometimes it is converted by the process of hydrogenation into saturated fatty acids, and those saturated fatty acids, they are also called trans fatty acids. So here I have given you the saturated, unsaturated and essential fatty acids. Fatty acids in nature as such are not very abundant but are present as ester. This is what I told you. They are always found in combined state in the form of ester after reacting with organic base, that is called ethyl alcohol. Fatty acids are represented by general formula, that is RCOOH, and R stands for carbon chain, and the simplest may be methyl group CH3. So R stands for CH3 group, and rest COH is your carboxylic group. And if there is only one carboxylic group, it is called monocarboxylic acid. If there are two carboxylic groups, it is called dicarboxylic acid, tricarboxylic acid, and tetracarboxylic acid, or sometimes polycarboxylic acid. It depends upon the number of carboxylic group present in the carbon chain. Where R stands for methyl group, they are monocarboxylic acids. They may be saturated and unsaturated fatty acids. Fatty acids with 1 to 8 carbon atoms are liquid in form. If the number of carbon atoms are going from 1 to 8, like methanoic acid, ethanoic acid, propanoic acid, butanoic acid, hexanoic acid, heptanoic acid, octanoic acid, up to 8 number of carbon, they are found in liquid state, liquid at room temperature, while those with more carbon atoms, more than 9 or 10, are solid. But they are solid provided that there is no unsaturation. If there is unsaturation, means if there is double bond, these fatty acids will be again liquid at room temperature. Both carbon atoms are solids. Animals and plants contain both saturated and unsaturated fatty acids. I have already told you that these fatty acids are found in animal and plant source, plant kingdom. And all those fatty acids, I cannot say 100%, but most of the 99% fatty acids which are isolated from plant sources, they are all liquid at room temperature, like cottonseed oil, like groundnut oil, like corn oil. So these are all fatty acids, mixture of triglycerides, and they are liquid at room temperature. But the animal fats, mostly they are solid at room temperature, because in that case the hydrocarbon chain is with single bond, that is called saturated. The most common fatty acids in neutral fats are, they are neutral fats, they are called butyric acid, caproic acid, lauric acid, palmitic acid, and oleic acid. Naturally occurring straight chain saturated fatty acids are acetic acid, propanoic acid, butyric acid, then caprylic acid, capric acid, lauric acid, myristic acid, palmitic acid, stearic acid, and acetic acid. Most plant fats are liquid since they contain a large proportion of unsaturated fatty acids, essential fatty acids. They are also called polyunsaturated fatty acids. So these essential fatty acids, they are also called polyunsaturated fatty acids, and sometimes if the carboxylic group is fixed to that specific position, then they are also known as omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. And these omega-6, omega-3 fatty acids, they play a very, very important role in our cardiovascular system. And now, if you see everywhere, people or cardiologists, doctors are recommending, go and eat almond, go and eat walnut, which is very rich in this polyunsaturated essential acid. Your flax seed is very rich. So these are very rich in polyunsaturated fatty acids, and they are medicinally very, very important for our health. Called polyunsaturated fatty acids. They are not synthesized in the body and hence have to be provided in the diet. The deficiency of essential fatty acids in human gives rise to dry, scaly skin, hair loss, poor wound healing, failure of growth, and increase in metabolic rate. Here, this is very important. If your essential fatty acid is not enough in your body, your metabolic rate will be increased. And once metabolic rate is increased, your all system will be disturbed. Everything will be very fast. Your digestive system, you will be always feeling hungry. In case metabolic rate, essential fatty acids are linoleic acid, arachidonic acid, and timodonic acid. So these three are very important essential fatty acids. So thank you very much.